Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is August 5th, 2025, and we're diving into BioMarin's second quarter earnings report. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, BioMarin has reported some impressive numbers this quarter. Can you give us a brief overview?
Absolutely. BioMarin reported total revenues of $825 million for Q2 2025, marking a 16% increase year over year. Their non-GAAP diluted EPS came in at $1.44, which is a significant 50% increase from last year. The company has also raised its full-year guidance, reflecting strong growth and strategic advancements.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. BioMarin reported total revenues of $825 million for the second quarter, which is a 16% increase compared to last year. John, what are the key drivers behind this growth?
The growth was primarily driven by a 20% year-over-year increase in Voxzogo revenue, thanks to new patients initiating therapy globally. Additionally, revenues from BioMarin's enzyme therapies increased by 15%, supported by strong patient demand and strategic government orders.
And what about profitability?
BioMarin's GAAP net income surged by 125% to $241 million, while non-GAAP income rose by 49% to $282 million. This was largely due to higher gross profit and lower operating expenses, reflecting the company's effective cost management and strategic focus on high-priority projects.
EPS performance and analyst expectations. BioMarin's non-GAAP EPS of $1.44 significantly exceeded the analyst forecast of 80 cents. John, what contributed to this impressive beat?
The EPS beat was driven by strong revenue growth and operational efficiencies. The company managed to expand its non-GAAP operating margin to 39.9%, up from 31.2% last year, which significantly boosted their bottom line. This margin expansion reflects BioMarin's strategic focus on cost control and prioritization of high-impact projects.
Strategic initiatives and pipeline progress. BioMarin has been active on the strategic front as well. Can you tell us more about their recent acquisition and pipeline developments?
Sure. BioMarin completed the acquisition of Inozyme in July 2025, which adds a promising enzyme replacement therapy, BMN 401, to their portfolio. Additionally, their long-acting CNP, BMN 333, has shown promising results in a Phase 1 study and is set to enter a pivotal Phase 2-3 study in 2026. Voxzogo continues to perform well, with a 20% increase in revenue driven by strong global demand.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. BioMarin has also reported significant improvements in operational efficiencies. How is this impacting their future outlook?
The company has expanded its non-GAAP operating margin to 39.9%, reflecting their focus on operational efficiencies. They generated $185 million in operating cash flow, a 55% increase year over year. This strong cash flow supports their investment in innovation and growth. Consequently, BioMarin has raised its full-year guidance for total revenues, non-GAAP operating margin, and non-GAAP EPS, indicating confidence in sustained growth.
Key takeaways. In summary, BioMarin has delivered a strong performance in Q2 2025, with impressive revenue growth, profitability, and strategic advancements. John, what are your final thoughts on BioMarin's investment prospects?
BioMarin's robust financial performance, strategic acquisitions, and promising pipeline position it well for future growth. The raised guidance further underscores their confidence in continued success. Investors should keep an eye on their pipeline developments and market expansion efforts.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on BioMarin's performance in the comments below.